Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we're gonna jump right in. For foundation, I use the Shein Complexion Mattifying Foundation, and to prime, it's NARS Creamy Concealer. For the first transition shade, I am using MAC Give Me Mun Bronzer. So I love using bronzers as a transition shade. I have a good amount of palettes with neutral shades, excuse my dog, with neutral shades, and I always tell myself that I'm gonna use them, but I don't. I always go back to the bronzer. So for the final shade, I am using a face powder that I got off of Shein, but it ended up being way too light for me, so I didn't want to go through the process of returning it, and I was like, I'm gonna just take my L, whatever. Eventually, I'm gonna use it for something else, and I did, so now I'm using it as an eyeshadow. Bronzers, I used MAC Medium Deep and Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Time to highlight, and this is my new baby at the moment. I slept so long on this palette. I have no idea why with this glow kit, but I'm so glad I finally got my hands on it. I love it so much. I have to be honest, I was just gonna leave my lips matte and call it a day, but something in me was like, girl, you know you want to put some lip gloss on, and I was like, you know what, you're right. So I went in with NARS Turkish Delight, but that wasn't enough for me, so I topped it off with Fenty Diamond Milk Gloss. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.